I'm always changing things around. I like to change things around. I like to give the bedroom a different look, a different vibes. So this is my new setup. This is where I have my makeup table and just a small and my skincare products on the top. I got this table from IKEA, and here I have some of my go-to products I use, like lip gloss, just brow gel, because I don't wear makeup every single time, and just very simple, very simple. I might end up changing the chair, but I don't know yet. And this is the go-to makeup I have in this container in case I want to wear makeup. So very, very simple, and it's so easy. And that chair, you can actually close it. This is my new skincare line, and this is what I've been trying. I have the ordinary vitamin C serum, which I use at night. So yeah, this is it. And this is my SPF moisturizer. Very, very simple. This is it. This is my new skincare. I might end up coming up with a skincare routine or a very quick skincare tutorial for you guys. So stay tuned for that video. If you have any questions, just let me know. I love candles, so I'm always having candles in my room and flowers.